Today I am back at Craven's house. Yes, this actually is a second day. I didn't just do photos on the same day. I came up here today to take some pictures for my photography channel and to try out some things with the Pocket 3. And I wanted to try out something that somebody had mentioned in a comment about two microphones. So I have my Kamika mic on, and you can see it right here. And I have my other Kamika mic on right down here. And we're going to see what that does with picking up trail audio. Not really interested in a lot of shots or a very long video today. It's really about seeing what the audio does. Now, this would be better on a drier day when the leaves were actually crunchy, but they're wet. But there is a leaf trail here. I'm going to walk down just a little bit, and then just down below Home House here, there is a gravel trail. I'll walk down there as well. I may walk all the way down to the Incline Railway. I'm not sure. But I just want to kind of see what this looks like or sounds like on this trail. And just to be safe, I am looking down every once in a while to make sure that the microphone hasn't fallen off, because that would be really, really bad. And just for fun, I'm going to shoot a couple of things at 60 frames per second as well, just to see what it sounds like when it's in slow motion. All right, this is the gravel trail, and if I follow this trail all the way down, I mean, it goes a long way down the mountain, but I will wind up at a spot on the trail where the incline comes overhead. I don't remember how far that is, but I got plenty of time, so I think I'll walk down that far. If you are coming to Craven's house, it is free. And there are trails that will take you up to Point Park from here. And there, you can go a little further along that trail to Sunset Rock. I have walked that trail a couple of times. It's a really easy trail, with the exception of the fact that it's mostly uphill. So it does kind of wear you out a little bit getting to the top if you're not in shape. And I do recommend a walking stick if you take that route. I have been quite a ways down this trail in the past. Once. I don't remember exactly where it takes me or how far it goes, but it is an old logging road, I think, and I could probably find it on a map. I do remember, however, that it will go under the incline, and we'll take a look at that when we get there. Well, I decided not to go all the way down there. While I was walking along the trail, I heard something suspicious down off the trail in the woods, and well, I'm sure it was probably just a dog. It's definitely not a deer. I didn't want to take my chances that it might be a bear, because there are bears up here, I think. So I'm just headed back to the car. I think I've got everything I need anyway. We'll see you tomorrow.
Well, it worked, and it didn't work. What I thought I could do, and I should have known better, I thought I could record both microphones at the same time and get two separate audio tracks so that I could adjust volume separately. But on the iPhone, it recognizes the two mics because they're all coming through the one receiver. So it's just recognizing the receiver, and both audio tracks go to one track. So my voice and the sound of the leaves under my feet are recorded together, and I can't control their volume separately. When I ran the audio through Adobe Podcast Enhance, it eliminated, as you could tell, it eliminated any wind noise, and it eliminated the sound of the leaves under my feet. That's what it does. In fact, let me just play you a short clip without audio enhancement.
And we're going to see what that does with picking up trail audio. I'm not really interested in a lot of shots or a very long video today. It's really about seeing what the audio does.
That was really bad, wasn't it? So instead, what I did was on the clips where I was just walking, I left the original audio and eliminated the Adobe Podcast Enhance audio so that I could adjust the sound of the leaves under my feet. That worked, except the microphone that I'm wearing on my collar is picking up all that wind noise, and I can't eliminate the wind noise. So I can use the mic to record myself walking and get some nature sounds and things, but I have to do it separately from talking. And that's good to know before I go out and try to do a whole big video and get it totally screwed up. It's good to do some testing of the technology from time to time, and that's what this video is all about. So anyway, we learned a valuable lesson today, and we will use it moving forward in maybe some more creative ways, but it'll be creative ways that work. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.